Hello guys, this is your boy Anyidons, and this is our wonderful and beautiful Amarachi. Alright, thank you guys. The reason why we're here is to say thank you to you all for the massive love and support. The good wishes and all that. Last week
it was massive. I didn't see that coming. What today? Oh my god, thank you guys so much.
So many people were calling. Somebody said your trip to France.
They give us trip to
America, Switzerland,
Paris. Oh my god.
All expenses
paid. So many gifts, money, prayers, wishes. Oh, we appreciate. And I'll go to make congratulations.
But the reason why we're here is I want to use this opportunity to say to you guys that that song that I did this year titled Men Day, there's a line I said, come on, so the reason why we're here is to tell you guys that that's a music video. It's not a real proposal.
You're confusing them the more.
Makina na video gafuna na eme proposal. Mana obroko eziokwu. So because please, this is a music video titled My Baby, and I was in the UK and I called her. I said, let's do this to promote this song, and she saw it and said, okay, we can go. And we did that, and it drew people's attention to the song, and people loved it. Love, we now saw the kind of love people really wanted us to be together. Are you getting it? And we really appreciate this. My name, my God, I hear the name Abu. It's all about the will of God, and we are religious people and Christians, so we always
hear from God first.
So we have to say, please, we owe you this explanation, because if we don't do that, we are playing on you guys' intelligence. Because some people will take this personal. So now no. Because the reason is for you guys to listen to this our wonderful song. I was sick producing that song more than 12 times. Video, no, everybody. Some people were even afraid for me. Why are you always sick? That was when I was working on that EP. Please, I want to message some people. So we decided to play this fast one to get you people's attention to that EP, and I'm glad now that people have come to listen to the EP and they love it, and they're playing and they're streaming it. Now we want to say sorry if it looks like we played on your intelligence.
Yeah, if you hurt your feelings.
Please, sorry. And again, it's a music video. It's not a real proposal.
We are not married.
Okay?
We are not. We didn't propose. There was no proposal.
We are not even dating.
We're not dating.
Okay? So this is somebody in respect because of the way she does her content online. She's very decent and all that. So I decided to go for her. I called her and she answered. Thank you so much, Amarachi. Thank you. Anybody that showed me love, I will always appreciate. Thank you. And again, I want to use this opportunity to say, Bikon, as we have apologized, I'm apologizing on behalf of the people by Saga with here. Please, they reached out to me, or they told me they want to grow their pages with this video, and I said no problem, you can go ahead. As long as you grow your page. The lady IJ Wela, I did a song with her, and titled Flanger, and the song was not really going that much. So, but after the video, the song started moving and people are now streaming the song. Please,
even the Oyibo lady, we are aware.
Please, she reached out to her. Please, wanna leave them alone. I beg you. Because, and I really appreciate, because you guys fought for me. I didn't to come down to them. But please, thank you. And and Abromonye Yena. So that's why I decided to come. Because drop in a comment section. Because air your views. Come on in come tata. Today Nina will just come on. Ma accept ya. Tomorrow can I move on ahead. Alright? Mana biko na kona mana no kwa move batalian efa. Move batalian efa. Thank you to all my families who supported, because this was not really an easy one, because they were calling the people that knows us. They were calling everybody from her own side, and they played along, and they absorbed the pressure, and they couldn't crack under the pressure. Thank you so much. And my own family, they were even wishing me well, saying congratulations. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay, it means a lot. And please, I want you this opportunity to tell you, not everything you see on social media is real. Don't go and break your home because of what you're seeing on social media. Don't go and close your business, sell your land because of what you're seeing on social media. Don't go and scatter your family because of what you're seeing on social media. Don't make enemies from people who say your brothers because of what you're seeing on social media. Whatever you're seeing on social media,
in summary, most things on social media are not real.
Most things, greater percentage, are not real. If you say a picture you post to, you get say more than 200. If you select your one, edit here, much we post to here. So what you are seeing on social media is perfection. But we are living in an imperfect world, and nobody can be perfect. So don't expect perfection from an imperfect being. It can never be possible. All right? We love you guys. We love you guys. Keep streaming this song. It's a vibe EP.
Yeah.
As some mobile challenge is going on. No challenge is going on.
My baby.
My baby. I get baby, yo. I get baby, yo. I get baby, yo. Make I choose.
My baby.
Even if she do nyash, or she don't do nyash. Nah, you know, you quite just. We still have a couple of days. So, my people.
Please, if I have a boyfriend,
please, I want to use this opportunity to say, I mean, even that you want more okay. You're talking when you're on nature equal. Choose. So I am saying thank you to your family for accepting this. And if there is any man in your life, Oga, anywhere you are, thank you for accepting this, because I know the pain and the confusion this must have brought to you, and I know you must be my fan to allow this to happen. Thank you so much. All right, I'm not encroaching in your territory. Have a good. So please, that's if there is a man, because they involved. Because if you're crushing on Amara, please double the crushing. Double the crushing.
I'm very sorry.
And all my own was because you know my Bible was like I don't know. When they when I also. I see where they open, say you. You know they spray food for our body.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys so much. Love you all. And very soon I'm going to send you guys my wedding invitation.
Yeah, even mine. Me myself, because I now nuche. Now I'm not nuche now because the love was massive.
Please think about it.
I forgot not near but your mother was saying, man. You have to go. You know, you know, innocent.